Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm preparing a vegan mushroom broth from the cookbook The Vegan Instant Pot by Misha Bora. Here are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. For this recipe, I'm using dry shiitake mushrooms. Place the dried mushrooms in a large bowl and submerge in warm or hot water. You want to soak the mushrooms for approximately 20 minutes. While the mushrooms are soaking in warm water, prepare the other ingredients. Dice 1 pound of mushrooms. Dice 1 large yellow onion. Dice 2 large carrots. Dice 6 garlic cloves. You will need 3 bay leaves and 6 sprigs of fresh thyme. Select the saute setting on the Instant Pot, and after a few minutes, add the diced yellow onions and dice fresh mushrooms. In order to prevent burning, stir frequently until the mushrooms begin releasing their liquid. Cook until the vegetables are softened and the mushrooms have reduced in size. This will take approximately 6 to 7 minutes. Add the carrots, garlic, and wine. Cook, stir occasionally until the liquid has mostly evaporated and the smell of alcohol has dissipated. This will take approximately 4 to 6 minutes. Secure the lid and set the pressure release to sealing. Select the soup broth option, setting at high pressure, and set the cook time to 30 minutes. Once the 30-minute timer has completed, allow for a natural pressure release for approximately 15 minutes, and then switch the pressure release knob from sealing to venting to release any remaining steam. While using an oven mitt, open the pot and remove the inner pot. Carefully strain the mushroom broth into a strainer over a large bowl and discard the solids. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.